Hello everyone, and welcome to a video on the Casio CTX-3000 keyboard. And in this video I'm going to show you how to record in step time chords into a song. And thanks to a comment that I received asking me to make a video about this, I think I've solved the problem because again the manual isn't very clear on how to do this. So hopefully this will help you as well. So I've got a song here that I'm going to first of all clear. So to clear a song, hold down the record stop button. It says song clear, press enter. Are you sure? You say yes. And that's gone. So there are no numbers here, track numbers showing something's been recorded. It's now been deleted. So next we're going to do a long press on the function button. And then we're going to press number 1 on the keypad. And it will say track event. And then we're going to press enter once. And so this is where we select the track. We're going to be recording into the system track. And then we're going to press enter again. And it says end of track because there's nothing recorded here at the moment. Next, we're going to turn on the accompaniment button. Press that button and it will show up on the display that you've got accompaniment turned on. And then here comes a little bit of secret to the process, is to press registration button number 1. So press that button, and then on your display you should see event, edit, and step. And now it's all ready to record in step time the chords that we want in the accompaniment. The other thing to do as well is to set the value of those steps, and you can change the values by pressing numbers on the keypad. At the moment it's set to a value of 1, and that means it's whole notes. If I press number 2, that'll be half notes or minims. 3 is a value of 4, which is crotchets or quarter notes. Eighth notes or quavers. And then number 5 on the keypad will bring up 16th notes or semiquavers. And then these are 30-second notes or demi-semi-quavers. I'm going to put it back to 1, so that we're going to be recording 1 chord per bar. You've also got the option to add dotted values to those values. So by pressing number 7 will produce dotted whole notes, which is what I've got at the moment, or triplet whole notes if I press number 8 on the keypad. I don't want either of those. I just want straightforward whole notes, so I'll put it back to number 1. Now we can play the chords in step time, and you can use either fingered chords or single finger. I'll use single finger here, so I'm going to press C on my keyboard, and then it'll move to measure 2. Is going to be a G, and now it's ready for measure 3. And now I'll put another chord in, and then the last chord we'll put in a C. So now we can listen back to that. You can just get out of this just by pressing Song Bank, and if we press start and stop down here, you can hear the chords that we entered. So the next thing to do is to kind of assign the style or the rhythm to that accompaniment. I've already selected a rhythm. I'm going to use a Bossa Nova 94, but it could be any rhythm style that you like. And we're going to do a short press on the record stop button. Let's make sure we're in song mode, which I didn't. Let's go back to our song number 10. So a short press on record stop, and it brings up the system track. So this is where we're putting in the accompaniment. And then here's another thing to be aware of. We want to change the record type to overdub. So we're using these arrows here, left and right arrows, and then the wheel to change it to overdub. Now we can select our rhythm again if we want to, but I've already done that. and also we need to turn the accompaniment on again, and that will it doesn't seem to show up on the display, but it is on. So we're ready to record, and we just press the start and stop button. And then we can stop the playback there, but we're still recording, so we need to also press record stop. So let's have a listen back to that song. And as you're recording, you can also press the fill-in buttons and change variation and add an ending in as well, and that will all be recorded within the track. So I hope you found that useful, and it wasn't too complicated. I would ignore the manual and just try it out like that first of all. Thanks for watching.